Hello everyone, welcome to Introduction to Scikit-Learn course. Scikit-Learn is a Python library for machine learning. So first, I will give you a brief introduction about this course so that you can decide whether or not you want to take this course. The only prerequisite that I need for this course is basic Python knowledge. So if you do not know any Python whatsoever, or if you haven't done any programming whatsoever, then this course is definitely not for you. You will find this content of this course very hard. So I'll suggest that you should take up some programming course. Better that if you take a Python course before you take up this course. Okay. I do not really need you to know any machine learning concepts. If you know some machine learning concept, it's well and good. But if you do not know any machine learning concept, it's still fine. I will introduce the necessary models and the theory and everything as we move forward in this course. This course is focused on implementation, and I'll include only a little bit of theory during this course. So by the end of this course, even if you don't understand the basic theory behind those machine learning models, you will be able to implement them and use them for your task using Scikit-Learn. Okay. So this course, I will not cover any neural networks. The reason for that is, so Scikit-Learn does have neural networks, but the reason the problem with neural networks in Scikit-Learn is that that is not really the best way of implementing neural networks. So if you want to implement neural networks, then the best way to do it is either use PyTorch or Keras or something advanced that is like better for neural networks. So, and this course is I'm like heavily focused on Scikit-Learn only, so I will not include any neural networks theory or practice in this course. Okay, so what do we cover in this course? So we will cover some basic introduction of machine learning models for classification and regression. So if you do not know what is classification or regression, don't worry about it. I will again introduce them as we move forward in the further lectures. Okay. We will also cover all the basic steps in a machine learning pipeline. So machine learning is not really just a single task. It's basically a set of tasks that you have to perform, to like starting from collecting the data and like pre-processing it and making it ready for the learning and all those things. So we'll cover them, all of them, as we move through this course. And finally, we will have a lot of exercises on the data sets from Scikit-Learn. So Scikit-Learn also have some like data sets already included in them, which we can use for practicing our concepts. Okay, so we will have exercises on those data sets. So let's get started.